Namaste friends. My name is Ritesh and today our topic is yoga for stress management. Friends, stress cannot be avoided. In fact, it has become a part and parcel of our life. In fact, stress can be helpful in certain situations and it also motivates you to succeed. And if it is for a short while, just enjoy it. But if it gets longer and longer, friends, it sucks. So, stress for a longer time can lead to physical, mental and emotional problems that affects your sleep, your digestion, your sex and your relationship. So friends, first and foremost, we need to relax our mind and body. And that is only possible when we connect our breath to it. In fact, breath is the guiding factor to manage stress. And no, I am not asking you to be flexible or no head over heels, no inversions. What I need is a very simple and easy asanas on your back and feel the difference. Let's get started. Lie down on your back and listen to guided instruction. So friends, let's lie down on your back. So give gap between your feet. Your palms are facing up. Your shoulders are down. So see that the shoulders don't lift up, let it go down. Keep your neck long. Allow your body to relax on the floor. Observe your breathing. Observe the way you inhale and exhale. Now people with back pain can bend their knees and they can stay in this position. Once again, keep observing your breath, allowing your body to relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And now, very slowly and gently, let both feet be together. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your face muscles are relaxed. And now, bend your right knee slowly and take it up to the chest. Without the support of your hands. Friends, there is no aim that your knee should be as near to the chest. No. Just take it to whatever extent you are comfortable with. With the next inhale, interlace the fingers. With an exhale, let the knee very slowly and gently come more near to the chest. Friends, see that you are breathing deeply or your whole awareness is on your breath. Keep your eyes closed and just breathe. So you are breathing in and you are breathing out. Check that your shoulders are down. Your face muscles are relaxed. Now, breathe in and breathe out. Friends, you can hold it as much longer as possible. Just listen to your body. Inhale, let the arms go down slowly. Exhale, stretch your legs out. In fact, glide the leg out on the floor and relax in Shavasana. Observe your breathing. Now, with the next inhale, flex or bend your left knee. Take it up to the chest. With the next inhale, interlace your fingers on the knees.
With an exhale, take the knees gently more near to the chest. Also be aware, friends, that your right leg is completely relaxed. We don't need any activation in the right leg. Once again, observe that your shoulders are down, your face muscles are relaxed, your jaws are relaxed. And just keep breathing. Your whole awareness is on your breath. Inhale, let the arms go down. Exhale, stretch your legs out, and once again relax in Shavasana. Observe your breathing. And now, very slowly and gently, bend both the knees one by one and take both the knees one by one to the chest. Observe your breathing. See how the lower back is pressing the floor. Inhale, interlace your fingers. Exhale, pull the knee towards the chest. Now remember, friends, if your head is in this position, try to make it straight. So what we need is a straight cervical spine. And breathe. Inhaling deeply and exhaling deeply. Friends, your breath is your guiding factor. Don't force the knees to come more near to the chest. Let it be as comfortable as possible and breathe. Now, with an inhalation, let the arms go down, and with an exhalation, stretch your legs out one by one, and once again relax in Shavasana. Once again, check that your shoulders are down, your neck is long, your face muscles are relaxed. And breathe. So we did a Pavan Muktasana, and now let's do a Supta Baddha Konasana, that is reclining bound angle pose. So bend the knees one more time and let the sole of the feet meet each other. Shoulders are down, face muscles are relaxed. Now friends, if you find that when you're doing the bound angle pose, the lower back is giving you a strain, or there is a lot of intense stretch on the groin, you can use a block. So you can use this block. So you can use two blocks and place it in this manner. So a block or a pillow or a bolster would be great. So you can always keep in this position so the groin is in a more comfortable position. So shoulders are down. Observe your breath and feel the stretch in the groin. The more passive, the more relaxed you are, the stretching is wonderful. Now, you can stay in this position for a longer time. Bend the knees. So take both the knees together and now straighten the legs out. So once again in Shavasana. Observe your breathing. Allow your body to relax. Check that the shoulders are down, the face muscles are relaxed. Don't forget to breathe. And now, from a bound angle pose. Reclining bound angle pose, we are getting into a bridge pose, that is Setu Bandhasana. So friends, gently bend the knees, let the palms face up, let the shoulders go down. Now as you breathe in, you lift the hip up vertebrae by vertebrae. So friends, over here the height is not important. When you are breathing in, you are lifting the hip up. So don't forget to connect your breath with the movement of the body. Keep your neck long. Now you can stay here also, you can take it here, to wherever position that you feel that you are comfortable with. Remember friends, you don't need to push too higher, right? Because then the breathing is not rhythmic. What we need is the breathing to be rhythmic. So just observe your breath. Allow your body to relax. Breathing. It's okay if the hip is like that or if it is like this. Just slowly and steadily keep practicing regularly. You will be in a perfect position of Setu Bandhasana. Inhaling, and as you exhale, you take it down vertebrae by vertebrae. And once again, stretch your legs out one by one and relax in Shavasana. Observe your breathing. Allow your body to relax. The shoulders are relaxed. The face muscles are relaxed. And now friends, the last asana, we have two options. Either you can lie down in Shavasana, observe your breath, or let's do a light inversion where we take the support of the wall. So I turn around, I have the wall here, I just keep the legs on the wall. You can bend the knees. You can keep the legs in this position also. You can keep the legs on a chair also. If your hamstrings are too tight, you can put it on a chair. So give gap a little bit. Let the palms face up and allow your body to relax. So breathe in, breathe out. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your face muscles are relaxed. Don't forget to breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep observing your breath. And now friends, you can hold this position for 1 to 2 to 3 minutes. Depends upon what extent you are comfortable. And once again at the last, once you do an inversion, lie down on your back in Shavasana. The final Shavasana, hug yourself. And then let the shoulders go down. Keep your neck long and breathe. Breathe in and breathe out. Friends, you can hold the Shavasana for a longer time if you wish. And now, very slowly and gently lie down on your left hand side for a few breaths. And come back gently.
Friends, these asanas, just go very slowly and gently. And at any point of time you feel that any of these asanas you wish to hold it longer, please go ahead and hold it longer. Friends, that was yoga for stress. The only thing you require here is a regular practice. And once you keep practicing this regularly, the stress would be more, definitely. But this practice will help you to manage that stress. We all have stress. The only thing we want to do is manage. By doing breathing, by doing a little bit of asanas, this will help you a lot. Friends, I am Ritesh here. In case you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button. And yes, do subscribe. And if you have any suggestions or comments, please mention in the comment section below. Namaste.